How can I fix my electric can opener if it's not working?
Hello, and welcome to our handy guide. Today, we will be walking you through a step-by-step process on how to fix an electric can opener that stopped working. Remember, safety first, so always ensure you've unplugged the device before you start.
Is your can opener really broken?
First, let's make sure your can opener is truly malfunctioning. Sometimes, the issue might be as simple as a dirty blade or a loose connection. Clean the cutting parts of the can opener using a damp cloth and check if all the parts are tightly fixed.
Checking the power supply.
If your can opener is clean and tightly assembled but still not working, check the power supply. Ensure it's properly plugged in and the power outlet is functional. You might want to try another device on the same outlet to be sure.
Inspecting the internal components.
Now, if your can opener is still not working, it's time to dive a bit deeper. Open the casing of your can opener, but remember, you should have some knowledge about the internal components before attempting this. Look for any broken or burned out components.
Replacing the broken parts.
If you find any damaged parts, you might need to replace them. You can usually find replacements online or at a local appliance parts store. If you're not comfortable replacing these parts on your own, it might be time to consult a professional or consider buying a new opener.
When it's time to get professional help.
If you're unable to identify the problem or the problem is too complex to handle, you might need professional assistance. Sometimes, it's more cost-effective to buy a new electric can opener rather than fixing an old one. And that's it. We hope this guide has been helpful for you in troubleshooting your electric can opener. Always remember that safety comes first, so if at any point you feel uncomfortable or unsure, it's best to consult a professional. Stay tuned for more helpful guides, and until next time, happy fixing!